Have you ever wondered how the world's wealthiest spend their winters? With the top 1% owning over 40% of the world's wealth, luxury for them goes beyond ordinary chalets. These billionaires and royals escape to exclusive alpine retreats, offering private chefs, heli-skiing, and underground spas. In this video, we're exploring 5 ultra-luxury ski chalets where comfort, privacy, and extravagance reach new heights. Get ready to see how the super-rich live in the most luxurious winter hideaways. Let's get started. 1. Chalet in Lech, Austria. Let's start the list with Chalet N in Lech, Austria, where elegance meets extreme luxury. Nestled in the Austrian Alps, this chalet is one of the most luxurious ski properties in the world, designed specifically for the ultra-rich. Chalet N boasts 10 opulent suites, including a master suite that takes up an entire floor, giving you unparalleled privacy and comfort. The property features a private cigar lounge, a 14-person cinema, and even a private nightclub. But the real standout is the 2,000-square-foot wellness area that includes a snow grotto, herbal steam room, and every spa treatment you can imagine. It's the perfect retreat to unwind after a long day on the slopes. The service is impeccable, with private chefs, butlers, ski instructors, and drivers on hand 24/7, making every moment of your stay absolutely flawless. The chalet also offers heated floors, an outdoor heated pool buried in snow, and a snow grotto, making it the ultimate winter retreat. At $500,000 per week during peak season, Chalet N is the ultimate luxury experience where every meal is tailored and the service is invisible but perfect. The chalet's stunning design combines modern luxury with traditional alpine elements, making it a seamless blend of comfort and extravagance. Whether you're unwinding in the snow grotto, enjoying a private cinema screening, or relaxing by the heated outdoor pool surrounded by snow, Chalet N offers a 360-degree luxury experience. You'll feel like royalty in a setting that is both cozy and grand, making it the perfect alpine escape. 2. Ultima Chalet, Courchevel 1850, France. Next, let's head to Courchevel 1850, the crown jewel of the French Alps, where Ultima Chalet awaits. A masterpiece blending sleek modernism with traditional alpine design, Ultima Chalet is not just a place to stay. It's an experience that indulges all your senses. This property offers 13 stunning chalets, each equipped with private spa facilities, chauffeur service to the slopes, and access to Ultima's world-class, Michelin-level dining right at your door. The floor-to-ceiling windows provide breathtaking views of the snow-capped mountains, creating the perfect backdrop for the ultimate ski retreat. What truly sets Ultima Chalet apart is its invisible service. Every detail is taken care of before you even think to ask. From pre-decanted wine to warm ski boots, everything is arranged in advance, ensuring you experience the epitome of convenience and luxury. The price? A hefty $100,000 plus per week during peak season. But with this price comes unparalleled service, customized itineraries, personalized spa treatments, and exclusive access to a private clinic offering wellness consultations, IV therapy, and anti-aging treatments. The chalet also boasts private chefs who tailor each meal to your preferences, ensuring every bite is an indulgence. Whether you want a custom ski itinerary or a personal shopping experience, everything is taken care of behind the scenes. Ultima Chalet provides a seamless integration of luxury and relaxation, making it the ultimate ski destination. With its exclusive access to Courchevel's renowned slopes, it's the perfect location for those who appreciate the finer things in life. 3. The Lodge, Verbier, Switzerland. Next, we head to the Lodge in Verbier, Switzerland, owned by none other than Sir Richard Branson. The Lodge is the perfect blend of alpine charm and high-end luxury, offering 9 spacious bedrooms to accommodate 18 guests. The interiors are designed to make you feel right at home, with oversized couches, hand-carved wood accents, and massive fireplaces. This chalet has everything you need to unwind after a day of skiing: a heated indoor pool, an outdoor hot tub, a gym, and even an ice rink during the winter months. What really makes the Lodge stand out is the service. It's not just about the amenities, it's about a personalized experience. Private chefs create meals tailored to your tastes, and chauffeur services ensure that you're always on time for the slopes. The price for all this? $85,000 to $150,000 per week, depending on the season. It's an ideal retreat for those looking for an intimate, high-end experience in the Swiss Alps, where every need is anticipated before you even speak it. From private cinema screenings to candlelit fondue dinners, the lodge offers a world of exclusive luxury. The relaxing ambience is supported by gorgeous mountain views, and the chalet is located in one of Switzerland's most exclusive ski resorts, ensuring that you're always close to the best slopes. The personalized concierge is always on hand to assist with last-minute bookings or special requests, guaranteeing that your stay is effortless and unforgettable. The lodge is perfect for guests who seek an escape from the usual crowds and want to enjoy private luxury with personalized experiences. 4. Chalet Zermatt Peak, Zermatt, Switzerland. Next, we head back to Switzerland for Chalet Zermatt Peak, located in the picturesque car-free village of Zermatt. This luxurious property is consistently ranked as one of the best ski chalets in the world. Designed like a private glass fortress, Chalet Zermatt Peak combines exposed timber, modern stone, and dramatic glass walls, giving it an open, airy feel while blending seamlessly with the surrounding alpine landscape. The chalet has 5 suites and features a wellness floor with a full spa, infinity jacuzzi, Finnish sauna, ice bath, and even a private yoga studio. What truly makes Chalet Zermatt Peak special is the Michelin-trained chef who customizes daily menus based on your preferences, ensuring that every meal is a gourmet experience. The property also boasts a curated art collection valued in the millions, adding to its elegance and allure. The price? $200,000 per week. But for that amount, you get the ultimate in luxury, privacy, and exclusivity. Whether it's skiing directly from your front door or relaxing in the spa with views of the Matterhorn, Chalet Zermatt Peak offers a level of luxury that's hard to beat. The chalet's dedication to detail ensures that every aspect of your stay, from personalized spa treatments to ski-in, ski-out access, is flawless. It's an ideal place for those who value exclusive access to both private skiing and luxurious relaxation in the most exclusive setting possible. 5. Sheldon Chalet, Alaska, USA. Finally, let's take you to Sheldon Chalet in Alaska, located in the heart of Denali National Park. This secluded lodge is a 5-star experience unlike any other, offering ultimate privacy and access to nature. The chalet is perched on a nunatak, deep in the park, and accessible only by helicopter. The remote location makes it the most isolated luxury chalet in the world, and what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in exclusivity. The 10-person chalet offers a truly unique experience with spectacular views of snowy peaks, the northern lights, and complete silence. Guests are treated to fresh Alaskan seafood, sip wine while watching avalanches in the distance, and unwind in the outdoor sauna with breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. With custom itineraries ranging from glacier picnics to mountaineering excursions, every moment here is tailored to your preferences. The price for such exclusivity? $75,000 per week, and that's for an unforgettable experience in one of the most pristine and untouched environments on Earth. Sheldon Chalet is ideal for those seeking to escape everything and enjoy complete tranquility while being pampered with the best service in one of the world's most remote locations. Private helicopter tours and custom-guided expeditions make this a truly once-in-a-lifetime experience. These 5 ultra-luxury ski chalets are a world apart from your standard ski retreats. From private chefs to spa treatments, helicopter access to pristine mountain views, these chalets offer an entirely new way to experience the alpine world. Whether it's Chalet N's private nightclub, Ultima's invisible service, or Sheldon Chalet's incredible remoteness, these are the ski chalets where the world's wealthiest come to experience luxury and comfort at their peak. Which one would you choose if money were no object? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.